This is a TECHNICS midi HIFI component system made in between 1991 and 1994. All the components are slightly narrower than a full-size component system, and it's the latest addition to my cassette deck collection. At the top is a tuner section. It's a TECHNICS ST-X302L with AM/FM. A clock is also included in the tuner, and so is a sleep timer. The sensor for the remote control is also in the tuner section, and it's connected by cables to the rest of the system. The amplifier section is next, and it's a TECHNICS SU-X120 with bass and treble controls, as well as a balance knob. There's also switches for super bass and surround sound features. At the bottom is a CD section, which is a TECHNICS SL-PD346A with what's described as a 5-disc rotary changer system. And the matching speakers are TECHNICS SB-CD120 units. And arguably the most interesting part is the cassette deck itself. It's a double cassette deck. It's a TECHNICS RS-X120 with Dolby B on both decks. Auto reverse on deck 2 only. Both decks have automatic type 2 tape sensing, and deck 2 has the recording deck. It has type 4 metal tape sensing as well. Although if you put a type 2 cassette in it, it does not show up on the display, and there's nothing to tell you if you got a type 2 or a type 4 cassette in there. Unfortunately, that's how the display system works. Both decks work fine now. Deck 1 sounded a bit off, sounded a bit dull. I've cleaned the heads on both decks. I've adjusted the head on deck 1 and demagnetized both heads using an electronic cassette type demagnetizer. Now deck 2 and deck 1 more or less sound exactly the same. Turn off super bass, turn on surround sound, turn off both. Both decks work fine. All I did is give it a bit of a clean. I've also got the remote control for it. And I have all the owner's books with it as well for the system itself, for the CD player, and the speakers as well. This is the specifications for the tuner section. Specifications for the amplifier section. And the cassette deck section. speakers themselves have a specification sections in the manual, as well as placement for better acoustics. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next or the previous video.